Welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be exploring the new area. We just went down from caves.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, and he got the new pack.
yeah, I got the new pack. But yeah, I got the new pack. It's really cool. Yeah, we're gonna be exploring this. We just got right in this area and we just decided to make a video. So let's go. Oh my. Sorry if the video's laggy. Oh, what the? Come on. Whoa. Oh, Shiver butt cheeks. What? I forgot. On Just Toasty's video, that happened. Okay.
Oh my.
Wait, what is that? Oh wait, no. Oh, that's the one area. I think this is the new. Oh my god. No. Oh.
It's Joey
Rappers.
Please.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, go.
Yo. What the Sigma?
Bro.
Wait, this is actually really nice. Bro. Oh my Riz. This is like heaven. What the heck? Why is there like... Oh, we have to get the new one. It's the new broccoli. I think these are broccoli, not mushrooms, like Just Toasty said, but... The new broccoli, I'm pretty sure... Doesn't it turn you, small? Let me release some of them. I think they also made it so that the broccoli, the big broccoli, it lasts longer, I think. Yeah, so that's cool. Look at it. Sorry, I just hogged a lot of them. Maybe because I ate a broccoli. Yeah, they made the thing last longer, so that's cool. What the? Oh, wait. Oh, sorry. I can't. Wait. No way. Wait. Oh my gosh, you're right. That's like the air. That's home. That's our house, bro. What's gonna happen to our house? Oh, wait, that's sick. Wait, are we like a god right here so we can do anything to the home right now? Why is there just one? Oh my, I am mini. I'm a very tiny little boy. Oh, this is sick. And then that's the sun, I think. Bro, this is insane. Woo! You get tiny enough that this is like a whole map for you. This world right here. This update's freaking fire. No, it's down there probably. We have light, so it won't be dark. Come on. You're a terrible listener, by the way. Yeah, it's not. Wait, is it down here? Why is it? Oh, it's right there. Did I? Why do I feel way bigger than I usually was when I ate this? It doesn't heal you. What the heck was that? Oh, there's a grenade. Probably shouldn't be... Oh, shoot. Good thing you... Do they not respawn though?
Should we go now? Wait, aren't you gonna get a couple more?
Wait, before we go, give me that crap, bro. We can go. Okay, I'm gonna go now, or go right here. Bye bye. Come on. go. Come on. Just use your grappler. What the? Turn normal. What the? Great. As soon as my grappler just fell, so let me get it. Can you not, bro? Oh my god. Okay, bro, stop putting me into the meat. Where'd you go? Yeah. You can take your grappler back.
What? Oh. Yeah.
They're all zero gravity, but bro, it's releasing all of my broccoli all over. Why are you doing that? I'm gonna. You can eat this one. Except for this one and this one. And this one. Oh my god. And because
Oh, I'm big.
and then the new backpack. Alright, I'm probably gonna go to a different server